Who's cutting it? Who's cutting it? Who's cutting it? Who? Yeah. OVO Sound 2025.
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Abby? Was it Andy? Is it Funky? What's the function?
What up, the function? What up, the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fuck tone, that's real. Stop teasing me, stop teasing me. I can change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me.